Miguel Benito Jr. C. with honors. Condition Frank Jeffrey G. with honors. De Leon Ian Angelo P. with honors. De Leon Grant Francis M. with honors. De Santos Victor Chloe R. with honors. De La Cruz Greg Christian 1 with honors. De Los Santos Angelica R. with honors. De Los Santos Shirley E. with honors. Yepel Emery O. with honors. Di Mananday Sandra O. with honors. Talyao Francesca G. with honors. Francisco Giovanni Luis O. with honors. Francisco Graham Benjamin G. with honors. Yapar Rimbala M. with honors. Hanopo Island Lawrence P. with honors. Fernando Andrea J. P. with honors. I. Christian Ronaldo A. with honors. Shaman Chloe Andrea L. with honors. Javier R. Miguel P. with honors. Ligaya Emmanuel P. with honors. Libet Abigail Gwen P. with honors. Yaneta Shirley Mary A. with honors. Mako Nasser P. with honors. Mayan Julian P. with honors. Nilo Kaiser Lee M. with honors. Penunia Raya L. with honors. Ramon Princess A. with honors. Regular Princess Kyle G. with honors. Reyes Elliot Tail M. with honors. Reyes Ethan Angela C. with honors. Santos Rafael Cayen S. with honors. Team Ryan Easy with honors. Thomas Andrea with honors. Turla James Benedict P. with honors. Valerio Helena Ferdinand L. with honor. Vélez Andrea M. with honor. Villanueva Anita Hope A. with honor. Villanueva Catherine Ann A. with honor. Zamora Princess Joyce with honor. Zamudio Crystal A. with honor. Deseto Earl Aldrin L. with high honor. Venice J. Sandre R. with high honor. And William Cameron Joe E. with high honor. Congratulations, grade 8 academic achievers.